We're so excited to be here because we know that ASGCT is such an important event for people in the cell and gene therapy community. There are plenty of ways to connect with the people at Forge. You can stop by our booth, 540, to look at our beautiful facility, the Hearth, in virtual reality. This year, we have 4 poster presentations that we are really proud to share with the scientific community. You can also attend a number of talks. Our CEO and CTO will be speaking at the exhibitor showcase that same day. Our CTO, Dr. David Dismuke, will be presenting at the Tools and Technology showcase. That we also know that biotech runs on coffee. So we have a breakfast truck positioned outside the convention for those who are attending the conference this year to get a coffee and a donut. To top things off, we're going to have an incredible reception Wednesday night. So come to the booth and connect with us and learn how we are enabling access to life-changing medicines. We hope to see you soon.